Whoa, look at that. Yes, indeedy. All 4 cars online screaming, just screaming. Whoa. Is that amazing? Observation car is together. 4 great steel wheels. I even tuned up the paint on this old boy. Remember that guy had brown spots on the top? Oh, gone out. Yes, not there anymore. Really cleaned it up. What is this guy's screen? It's only going, you know, I have more. You know, I got more it could go. There it is, that's flat out. It just eases into it. I said, sure, I can go. Let's go. Boy, is that fun. That is a long, it's only 4 cars, but you know, with an AB unit, look how long it gets. Really nice. Boy, do I feel good. That is probably the best running train I have. Amazing. No action, no sound, no nothing, but boy, does it run. Yeah. Yeah. It's just amazing. It's a nice runner. Really nice. Okay, well, I've got 45 minutes. I may go work on that Comet now. Boy, did that turn out nice. I am so happy. He may stay. I don't know. It's awful pretty. If somebody else wants it, they'll have to want it. You know what I mean? I'll touch up the cars where you see the dark spots. I can actually touch those up. You can see here, this roof was half brown, and it's just really clean. This roof was like that on the back side, and it's like that. This back piece, we're still learning how to apply it over flat surface, but it's looking pretty good, I have to say. It's looking pretty good. Boy, is it smooth? It's just smooth, just nice. It's a dream. It is a dream. I don't have any people. I don't have any windows for people in this car, so I'm gonna have to do some work, try to figure that out. But boy, they all just really light up and look great. I know I can touch this paint up. It'll be shiny. It'll be like this, not necessarily chrome, but it'll be a bright satin, and I think that'll be fine. Yeah, I'm looking for a soundboard. I think I found a soundboard, so we'll have the. I can use my buttons here for the horn and the bell. So the whistle, the horn, right? Diesel horn, and that'll be fine. It'll be fine. I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna go work on the other problem child.